You and I in class together learned how sweet was to have a true friend. I remember you as young as I'll never be. I remember me in that bed, talking so close. Your daddy has to see something I will never forget. I'm blind, that's what I feel. I've lost you, and I didn't say goodbye. Yeah.
We were in the chapel and your soul blew like the sea wind blows the sand. We were all back together, grown, so it seemed. I still try to get in touch with your inner child. I still try to heal the guilt for not having been there. When you drown, that's how I feel. You were lost, and I looked the other way. When you drown, that's how I feel. You were lost, and I looked the other way. You rest on the Comoros, the Moon Islands, where you still haunt what you eat. Sweet doing nothing, the place where to lose and find yourself amid the coral reefs, surrounded and cleaned by an aquamarine amniotic fluid. And I still try to heal the guilt for not having been there. Yeah, for not having been there. For not having been there. When you drown,